Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI.
So I just wanted to take a minute and brag about one of the cutest bags I have ever seen. Now, if you ask my family, they're going to tell you that I'm kind of a hoarder when it comes to cute bags, but they're not complaining when they need one. So, all of the family drama aside, this is one of the cutest bags. I absolutely love it. It's strong and it's soft, and I love the little pink bows that match so many of my outfits. I love the knitted handles. I was very surprised to see how sturdy they were. I love the material is thick and I don't have to worry about the items inside getting hurt. I personally use this for work. It holds all of my papers and folders, but you can also use this at the grocery store. My daughter likes it. She wants to use it to carry her laptop around campus, and it would also just make a cute shoulder bag for date night. It comes in so many different designs so that if pink bow isn't really your thing, then there are so many different styles. You'll find one to match your taste. So if you're in the market for an adorable and durable tote bag, and you're going to love this tote bag.
And that's my point of view.